Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer BNB from XMO to Binance in 2025. Whether you're looking to consolidate your crypto assets, take advantage of Binance's features, or just optimize your holdings, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and secure. BNB, or Binance Coin, is a popular cryptocurrency, and moving it between exchanges like XMO and Binance is a common task for traders. But remember, crypto transfers involve real money, so always double-check your steps to avoid any mishaps. First things first, ensure you have verified accounts on both XMO and Binance and that you have some BNB in your XMO wallet. Start by logging into your XMO account. Navigate to the Withdraw or Wallet section and select BNB from the list of assets. This is crucial. Make sure you're choosing the correct cryptocurrency. Next, you'll need to select the right network for the transfer. BNB can be on networks like BEP2 or BEP20, so cross-check with Binance to match the network exactly. A mismatch could lead to lost funds, so pay close attention here. Now, switch over to your Binance account. Go to the Wallet tab, select Deposit, and choose BNB. This will generate a unique deposit address. Copy it carefully, as you'll need it for the next step. Head back to XMO, paste the Binance deposit address into the withdrawal form, and enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer. Review all the details one more time: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're confident, hit Confirm, and complete any necessary security verifications, like 2FA. After initiating the transfer, sit tight. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your email or the exchange notifications for updates. Once it's done, log back into Binance and check your wallet to confirm the BNB has arrived. That's it, you've successfully transferred your BNB. As a quick tip, always start with a small test amount if you're new to this. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next video.